In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Whatever we are going to discuss today, an idea actually being presented today is something very useful, very beneficial, but simultaneously it is very simple as well. Whatever we are going to talk about today is not complicated, but it could be useful enough, it could be beneficial enough. What is this? Prior to telling, prior to putting forward the idea going to be debated upon, going to be talked about today, there is another thing which we need to talk about, because talking about it first will make the coming idea as something very easy to understand and very easy to assimilate. What is this basic thing which is going to be talked about as a preface? This is that at certain points we are very much hopeful that we will be getting something useful and beneficial, that our attempt is going to be successful one, but it does not appear, it does not result like that. It does not appear so, it does not benefit us, and we don't feel, we don't succeed over there. Is it like that? Yes, it is like that at all. And vice versa, at certain other points where we are not very hopeful, where we are not very hopeful, we don't expect much, but still we do succeed in getting something useful and something beneficial which surprises us, which does put forward a kind of pleasant surprise. We become happy and we rejoice. Now, do you agree with it? If at all you do, this means that we can go further and we can talk about the idea. We can jointly talk about the idea. But if at all it does not, you do it. If it does not seem okay to you, if at all you do not agree with it, I think then there is no need to go forward as far the discussion of the new idea is concerned. What is this new idea? The idea is that we should keep trying and we should keep trying. We should keep trying whatever is okay legally and morally, whatever is permitted legally, whatever is permitted morally. I think that we should make an attempt, if at all the cost we do have to pay is not much, in shape of the preparation, in shape of the financial risk, in shape of the hard work. If at all none of these things are a condition or a very negligible amount of it is needed, then I think so that we must try it, provided it is legally and morally okay. Although we are of the view and the rest of the people are of the view that it is not going to benefit you, that it is not going to serve the purpose, that you are not going to succeed in it, but simply we do have to think about the certain things. First of all, what sort of rewards are attached here? This is the first thing. Then whether it is morally or moral legally or morally okay. If at all I do make a try, if at all I do make an attempt, having the both of these things, now moving forward, what is the cost of this opportunity, what I do have to pay, and what sort of input is going to be needed here. If at all much amount of hard work is needed, if at all much of the money is needed, if at all much of the other things are needed or not, and if at all the cost is not much in the shape of the hard work, in the shape of the money, then I think so we must make an attempt and we should not shy away from this opportunity, because this is really an opportunity and we must be doing everything else we can to make a fair attempt. Why are we doing this? By the way, because at certain points in our previous life we were not expecting the good from where we got, and we at certain other points where we were very much hopeful that I shall be getting some benefit, but I could not do that. So keeping this thing in mind, we have decided to try, and to try whatever wherever we can, if at all it is legally and morally okay, if at all much of the hard work of money is not needed, I think there is no harm in trying it, even if the chances of success are minimum, even if the chances of success are barely 1%. I think that we should make an attempt, and what will be whatever the outcome of this result, if it is not going to be the dangerous one, I think that we should try it, and if at all, maybe we will succeed, and we will get whatever kind of rewards were attached along with this opportunity. And if at all we fail to get that, even then at least we can get one thing, and this one thing is we will be learning certain lessons, we will be getting certain information and certain other benefits as well, and certain other benefits as well. These benefits are going to make us stronger. These benefits are going to make us more intellectual, more strong mentally, and these benefits are going to make us a prominent human being. I believe that we must try it, because trying it goes right into our own benefit. Either we will get whatever we wanted to, or at least we will be learning, we will be found learning certain important lessons out of that, which are going to be very helpful, which are going to be very beneficial for us in the rest of the life. Maybe our next attempts will become more beneficial, will become more better, or at least we will be getting certain other important lessons which will help us either here or there at certain points in life. Maybe it will be enhancing our level of confidence, maybe it will make us get introduced with the rest of the people. But there are benefits attached with it, and believe me, there are quite a lot of benefits here. Thank you.